Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, with what I have on the thumbnail, you probably have an idea of what we're to expect. But I was going to let you see it. So I got this kit. It was still sealed in the plastic, and on the haul video you saw that it was still sealed. So the plastic was kind of torn, but it was sealed in the plastic, never been opened. And everything was good until I started looking at the box. And I noticed that it was smushed right here. And I will be quite frank with you, they shipped it in a bubble mailer. They didn't have it in a box. They shipped it just like this, basically. At least they didn't just slap a postage label on this box. But it was still just in a big bubble mailer. And I didn't think anything about it. It looked fine, but I didn't really pay attention to the box being a little bit mashed right there. Thought, well, it's not that bad, but it definitely was stepped on by a USPS employee, more than likely. So when I opened it up, this is what I saw. I was excited too, because I didn't notice that at the time. I was excited because, man, Model A's, I love them, and this was just going to be the coolest. And I'm using the was okay. So this is what I found. When I opened it up, I'm like, oh, cool. That's just what I did. I was like, oh no. And the body was obliterated. So yeah, it got smushed pretty bad. I contemplated, and I'm contemplating maybe just seeing if I could get it to glue back together. And there's like a couple of broken pieces off at the bottom and up in here, and it probably is a lost cause. I'll be honest with you. That would be a miracle to be able to get something like that back together. And then you can't find these parted out for anything, so it's basically a wasted model kit, which really stinks because I think I paid quite a bit for this thing. I did reach out to the people that shipped it, and I told them, I said, look, this thing was smashed when I got it. You know, the body's just blown out. And they say, okay, well, you know, open up a return that claim and ship it back to us. And I'm thinking, ship it back to you? It would cost $25 to ship this thing properly. I mean, I could ship it back in a bubble mailer too, probably, but I just said, forget it. It's not even worth it to me. I think when people do things like this, at least when and I told them, I said it was not properly shipped. It was in a bubble mailer. This box doesn't provide enough protection for shipping. Like I say, they did say they would refund once it got there and whatever. But I was like, you know what, forget it. I don't know. Maybe I can find something to do with it. I don't know. I mean, it's pretty much done. The kit is this, you know, this is the main portion of the kit, so I don't really know what to do with it. But all my excited was completely and utterly ruined when I opened it up and saw this. But that's just the way it is. That's what the game you play with eBay. I can't leave them negative feedback, I don't think, because they did offer to refund, and maybe I'll still send it back. I don't know. I'll have to check shipping, see what it costs. But I just wanted to run that by you guys. And I did go back and look at the pictures that they posted, and there was the box wasn't squashed, so it was definitely done in shipping. What's terrible though is that corner is where this is. If it had been any other corner, you know, any other corner, but no, it had to be the corner where the body was at, and it just got squashed. So yeah, that really stinks. I was super excited about this, but anyway, I can keep on loathing about it, and that's not going to fix anything. Just want to share it with you guys. Be careful when you buy on eBay. Might want to run it by the people and say, hey, are you going to ship this in an actual box, or are you just going to put it in a bubble mailer and let it get completely destroyed? I'll have to start doing that, because people don't have very good common sense sometimes when it goes to shipping things. These are fragile plastic model kits, and you can't just ship it like that. I mean, good grief. Anyway, all right, so video's over. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget all the things that I always mention in the description of the video, including Hobby Nut Models, the Facebook group, the Patreon page, and the Spring Store. I appreciate all of you guys that support all of those causes. And yeah, I don't know what I'll do with this, but I would ask if you guys have one of these in the stash that something else, maybe the fenders got smashed on yours, I'd be interested in buying that body off of you. 1/16 mini craft Model A. And even if it were the there's a coupe, you know, anything to be able to use all the running gear and the chassis and all that stuff. I'm just, that's what I'm missing right there, the body. That's what's blown up in mine. So if you guys know anybody that's got one of these, parting it out or anything like that, let me know. Reach out, email me, comment in the video, message me on Messenger, however you can get a hold to me. I'd be interested in knowing, because I'd like to build this thing. But anyway, guys, hey, thanks for watching. Beware of, not eBay, but beware sometimes you don't get what you're expecting. All right, guys, take care. See you. Bye.